Okay.
All right. Yeah, walk by it.
I wanna go.
I smell soap for some reason.
I'm gonna say
And it's so stiff. No,
right now.
it's a rock. This. No, try to squish it.
Yeah,
Try to
I know.
squish it, 'cause you can't.
I'd say it looks normal.
Yeah, it's not offensive, but you know.
Well, I didn't feel threatened by the donut, so I guess it's safe. Like, should I feel threatened by this donut?
I'm not sure if it's quite so bad that it's good. But I think it's approaching that. Yeah, the first bite was like, oh, this might be kind of good. And then it was just downhill from there.
Exactly. I'm not
Flavor.
into strawberry.
Like
Downs,
overall, the texture and stuff is fine. Like if you're into that, it's probably not that bad. But this smell was not great. It's just not I would not eat that.
It looks okay. An okay donut. It seems more normal. Like
Yeah. I think at first when I smelled this, I smelled soap for some reason. And then I smelled it again.
I mean, you have a good tasting soap then, if that's how it smells like.
Well,
I think this is Bart Simpson's favorite donut.
Yeah.
I was hoping it would be a lot softer, so it was a little harder than I would have liked.
it's okay. It's what I expect from a donut like that. I guess if it will be like warm or fresher, it will be better. But still, it's okay.
The filling helps.
Yeah.
The filling helps because it adds some moisture and it's a better flavor than the icing. Crumbling. It's starting to fall apart.
That's it.
I don't think it's possible to eat anything but the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's gonna fall apart.
It's really, it wants to disappear, like it's breaking apart really easily.
Is that how they're supposed to be?
Looks good. It looks like you want a powdered donut to look. It smells like sugar, which is never a bad thing.
Can't really smell it. But.
Oh, that's concerning.
It's not like the top tier donut, in my opinion.
It's not even as good as I was hoping.
Really? I expected more. Yeah.
This is the piece de resistance. I think it looks really good.
Okay.
I like the crumble on top. That's a nice touch.
I'm feeling neutral here. I don't know what to expect.
It smells like the pecans that they sell.
Yes.
Like cinnamon with, I don't know what they have.
It smells really good. That smells better than
Ooh,
the chocolate.
wow.
I mean,
I put
honestly,
it at
this, no, you don't. You really don't like chocolate. It reminds me of like the ready-made cakes that you can, like the cake mixes that you can make.
Texture is nice though.
Yeah. Yeah, this smells really good. Whatever this is on the top.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty solid. Yeah.
Bad.
It doesn't look good. I feel like it'll be okay.
It's really soggy. I mean,
you can like store my fingerprint, so a little too soft and doughy.
You know, you think about a biscuit, you think a little like flaky or airy. It's not really like that. It's kind of like gooey, not making me feel good.
I'm not very picky.
Just take what I can get.
I'm fine with it. Not bad, just normal.
A little dry.
I'm actually surprised.
Oh gosh, I can't.
I've had worse biscuits than this. Like I could eat this. It's not super dry. I've had really dry biscuits before and it's just hard to eat.
Okay.
Like you can't even get through it.
Okay.
I think it looks pretty good. The cheese definitely looks appealing.
You never had eggs like that, dude?
No.
No?
Oh, I know the drill. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know about the egg.
Okay. I don't see it.
That's egg.
I thought it was like a piece of cheese or something.
That's why it's concerning.
Okay.
That's one of the better ones that we've had. I didn't really expect that.
There's no magic or something wrong happening around this. Yeah.
I eat it because it tastes like nothing, so it would just make me full. But if I had options, I would pick anything else.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I think it's better than what I was initially looking at. Tastes all right. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Here comes the one.
She's hyping
Here
it
comes
up.
the chosen one.
What's going through your mind right now?
I wanna go. You're getting the one that lives in Mexico City to eat taquitos.
Looks like a croqueta.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't look like, a taquito. It should be,
It's soft. It's fluffy.
Yeah,
It's not crispy.
Yeah.
For me, it's mushy.
Flautas are really stiff because it's a fried tortilla.
Yeah.
And this is like a quesadilla folded and fried. So it's fun. Oh, it's like a pizza roll kind of.
Yeah.
Up close it gets a little weird, but like from afar it looks pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. Especially if it had some steam coming off of it. I can see that like looking through the glass. It's got curb appeal.
Yeah. That's a good way to put it. I like it.
It was not an offensive smell. It smells
It was
like
a defensive smell. It's trying to survive.
Not a fan.
Definitely not a fan of it either, but good.
You know what it tastes like?
Cheese tastes terrible.
Uncooked dough.
Yep.
You see?
Well, it looks,
telling you.
it looks bigger, but I don't know if it's good or not.
Yeah, but look, even the egg.
Is it
Looks
a real
better.
egg? It has more volume.
It has weight to it. And
It
like,
has weight, yeah.
The biscuit looks really nice. I really like the way the egg and cheese looks.
This compared to the other sausage biscuit we had earlier, no comparison.
Hey, cheers, dude. Okay.
is that it's very crumbly. You're not going to eat this in your car on the road without making a mess everywhere.
This was made with love, so you know it's gonna crumble.
Oh man.
Oh, that's so moist. I'm eating tacos.
This is pretty good.
It's really, really good.
Yeah. Cheese is really good.
Biscuit, eggs, sausage. What it should be.
Yeah. Agree.
I think it's got to be Buc-ee's, but then Love's.
I'd agree with that.
Buc-ee's and then Love's.
It was between two. I think I'm going with Buc-ee's for the win, but like Love's is a close second.
Yeah,
for me. I would have liked to try those a little more fresh.
If I had to go to a gas station for breakfast, I'm certainly crossing my fingers there's a Buc-ee's.
Yes, absolutely.
The Buc-ee's biscuit.
Yeah, Buc-ee's biscuit was leagues above the rest.
Yeah.
I want a Buc-ee's right next to me, so I can just get out of my house, get breakfast, and be good. I wish.
Not nearly as much as this.
Yeah,
There was no close second.
agreed. Buc-ee's
Yeah.
is in a league of its own.
Touch on this food. It's
Yeah, Buc-ee's.
yeah. The last two were from Buc-ee's. The Buc-ee's and this one. Buc-ee's is in. Yeah.
Like, follow, subscribe.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't have anything else to say.